Hi, good afternoon. It's the last day in February 28th, Wednesday, and it's just 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It seems to me that it's a typical spring day, though it's still winter in the calendar, but it seems to me it's a typical spring day, rather warm day. And I'm now in front of, as you see, Azai History and Folklore Museum, named after the famous warlords in the Provincial War Era. Let's go. I'm walking along the path toward the entrance of the museum. You can see a thatched roof house here and there. This signboard says that the mountain over there, the mountain is over there is called Oyoriyama Mountain, and they say in 1570, June 28th, the armies of Azai and Asakura from Echizen placed their fortress here. And according to Shincho Koki, the old document, the number of Azai was about 5,000, while the number of Asakura was 8,000. And they discussed whether or not they would advance to the Nobunaga's army, and after all, they advanced to the south, and the so-called Anegawa battle broke out. This is the inside of the museum. This is the inside of the museum. Almost no sightseers have come today since it's a weekday. Hi, it's 10 minutes past 2. I saw the inside of the museum taking a long time, more than 1 hour, to study the details of the Anegawa battles in 1572, from 1572 to 1573. This museum exhibits many old documents or dioramas of the battlefields of Anegawa. It was very good study for me. And the person in charge of the museum kindly said to me that the actual site of the Anegawa battlefield was very close from here. So let's go. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I arrived at the battlefields, old battlefields of Anegawa, Ane River, as you see, under the cherry trees. And this is the signboard saying that the place It's that place where one of the biggest battle in the Provincial War was fought at around here. And they say that the river was dyed with blood of many soldiers. It was a very fierce battle in the Provincial War Era. And that mountain, snow-capped mountain over there, is Mount Ibukiyama. I'm standing at the memorial stone monument of the deceased at the Battle of Adegawa. Many soldiers fought with each other fiercely, and they say the water of this river was dyed with blood of the deceased of the battle. I'm now taking the picture from the bridge of Nomurabashi. And I feel as if I'm now seeing the fierce battle from the bridge. I'm now standing at another site of the battlefields of Anegawa. And the signboard said that this warlord has a very long sword whose name was Makara Jurozaemon Naotaka under Azai's army. And this Makara's death was the largest topic in this battle of Anegawa, because Makara used to have a very long sword, the length of which was 160 centimeters. This is a small park named Chihara. Chihara in Japanese means blood field, named after the fierce battle at around here. The symbol said that the deceased at this battle was more than 3,000, and there used to be many names after this blood of the deceased. This is the stone monument of the fierce battlefields of Anegawa.